keep those flat on the ground. When it's time to decide if it's less than, it's greater than, or
Equal.
thank you for saying it, or equal to, you're going to talk with your neighbor. Here's how this looks. If Samantha's my partner, eyes on me, I'm going to look at Samantha and I'm going to say, hey, what do you think? She could give give me her ideas, and I could give her my ideas, and we'll decide together and hold it up together. This is how it's not going to look. Oh, I got it. It's less than! Okay.
Less than.
I know, it's hilarious. I don't want to see it. No. All right? Yes, ma'am.
I see there's only less than and a greater than kind, but what if it's equal? What are we supposed to do?
What are we going to do if it's equal to? I see the signs. So we could go like this. So you could together go like this. It's not like this. It's not like this. It's not, woo, it's equal to. That's not it. It's just like this. That's fine. That works
What
too.
if you just want to do this?
I'm fine with that because I still get that you're showing me it's equal to.
What, can I do like this?
Okay.
No. Like this. Yeah. How about
For
like this?
example,
How about like
is
this?
1/8 greater
This.
than 2/8?
This.
In this lesson, you will learn how to compare two fractions with the same denominator by reasoning about their size. You remember that when numbers represent the same amount, they are equal. Let's compare 3 and 3. We know that both numbers represent the same amount or value. Therefore, 3 is equal to 3.
Show me equal. Oh, look at that. Did you see everybody showed me a sign and their voice was off?
How do you compare fractions? For example, is 1/8 greater than 2/8?
High five hold a high five with your thought partner.
High five.
These are different than what we've seen before. I want you to look at this, the 1/8, and then the symbol, and 2/8. I want you to talk to your partner. What is different about today's lesson? About this. So look at him. What's different? What's different? What do you think we're going to be doing today? You see, right here. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. What are we going to do today? What do you think we're going to do today? Renee. Eyes on Renee. Greater than and less than. What else do you think, Nate?
Compare fractions.
We're going to compare fractions. We've done comparing fractions, haven't we?
Yes.
What's different about today? Brielle?
We're doing the denominator.
Oh, what do you see in the denominator?
Both are 8, so for the bottom it will be equal.
Oh, okay, so the 8s are the same, so the 8s are equal. Where's the denominator? Eyes. Here's the denominator. Where's the denominator? Yeah? On the bottom. Do you remember it? Stay in your seats. You want to do it? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Numerator is my parts, denominator's parts in all. Numerator is my parts, denominator's parts in all. Good. So you see the 8s are the same, but what's different about these? Yes. So you see, so we're going to see if we agree with that. They're saying that 1/8. I need Dalton. I missed you with your job. There's 1/8.
I'll fill in.
here's 1/8 and 2/8. Can you just turn around and say that again?
The 2/8 are bigger because it's
The 2/8 are bigger. So, is that sign in there correct?
No.
No. Show me what symbol should go in there. Hold up your card. Is it 1/8 is greater than or less than? Hold up your card. So, put together, is it 1/8 is less than or 1/8 is greater than? You think that's the same? What do you think? Ah, hold up that other one then. So, I see you have 1/8 is less than 2/8, right? Let's see if they change it, because otherwise the people who made this video are wrong.
So we should just leave it.
Okay, set your card back down on the floor. Touch your shoulders. Good job.
In this lesson, you will learn how to compare two fractions with the same denominator by reasoning about their size. You remember that when numbers represent the same amount, they are equal. Let's compare 3 and 3. We know that both numbers represent the same amount or value. Therefore, 3 is equal to 3. Now let's compare 2 and 5.
2 and
We
5.
know that 2 is less
2
than
is,
so we will use the less than
2
symbol
is
to make the
less
statement
than.
true. 2 is less than 5. Notice that the pointed end of the symbol is facing or pointing to the number 2. This is because 2 is the smaller number. Now let's compare 10 and 6.
10 and
10 is
6.
greater than
10
6.
is
Greater.
6 is the smaller of these two numbers, so the pointed end of the symbol is pointing to the 6.
Okay, set it back down. Get ready.
A common mistake is thinking that the fraction with the largest denominator is the largest fraction. Here I have the fractions 1/4 and 2/8. If I ask you to tell me which fraction is bigger, you may be tempted to say that 2/8 is. However, if we were to look at fractions, since the denominators are
Okay. You've got 3/10 and 7/10. Before I show you anything, put your finger on your forehead when you know what's going in the middle there. 3/10 is less than or greater than 7/10. Finger on your forehead. Okay, show me your card. 3/10 is, you have one and she has one. You guys supposed to have one together? Whose card do you think goes up? So you think 3/10 is greater than 7/10. All right, let's find out. Set your card down. They had 3/10 and 7/10. What pieces do I need? Say it. How many tenths do I need?
3.
1. Who can show me the other fraction?
Please stop.
I got 3/10. Addison, go ahead. I'm going to come around. You're going to tell me how many you need. Put it underneath of it. Okay, they're gone. So, I want you to hold up your card. Ready? Get ready. Hold it up. Ready? Go. All right, read it. So 3/10 is All right. Why is this less than this? Vanessa?
Because you need it on here, you could put one behind, like one in front of it.
So like this matches up, right?
That matches up, but if you add the rest of it,
Oh.
it makes this sound good.
So what do you think our trick could be? We're going to come up with a tip. Okay? Here's what's that? Yeah. So I can compare fractions with like denominators using, what's this one? Less than, greater than, or equal to, using a model to reason about their size. What do we have to unpack? High five your partner. Come up with something we need to unpack. You can unpack all of them. Go ahead. What do we need to unpack? Yeah. It's on all right, 3.
Parallel.
Hey, look at me. Point to me. Where do you think I am? Oh, guess what? Sometimes that just happens and then it'll go on and stay on. But it's okay. What I really like that you did was that you stayed so quiet and you looked right for me. Right? That was really good. You did a really good job. What word do we have to unpack in here? Yeah, Gianna?
Denominator.
Denominator. Oh, I got that. I'm going to give her a me too. Eyes on her. Give her a me too. Good. What's a denominator? Evan? Okay, well, let me come back. What's a denominator? It's on the...
Attention, Monarch family. It appears that the power went out briefly, but everything is returning back to normal for those taking part test. I assume the test will have to be resumed, so you're going to have to give me a couple minutes to get that back online.
Is the denominator on the top or the bottom?